Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT to build a community page. So in this page, you've already have all of the main information, but we need some community information. And this one is headed living in Tim's Ford Lake. So what I've done is I am going to go and I basically Googled what county is Tim's Ford Lake, Tennessee located in, and it says Franklin and Moore counties. So I'm going to copy that. And you also have Sevier, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to Chat GPT. Now I'm logged in with Shar at ysnm.net, and we have a premium account, so I have a little bit more leeway with what I can type in here or what I can do with it. But you, depending on what Chat GPT level you have, may just explore it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Write for Me. And I want to basically write something short. So write a short community description about what it is like to live on Tim's Ford Lake in Franklin and we say Moore and Sevier counties in Tennessee for someone looking to move there. Now let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so that's great. It's 2 paragraphs, and I'm going to go ahead and just copy that. And I'm going to go back to my page, and I'm going to edit this. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. So I don't know if it is exactly in Franklin and Moore or also Sevier, so I'm going to leave it and let the client actually go in and tell us if that's correct when they do their look through this. Okay, so now I'm going to come down and I am going to say about Tim's Ford Lake. So I'm going to do the same thing. Write a short description to tell the background and history of Tim's Ford Lake. And I don't even need to put Tennessee in now because Chat GPT already knows. That's cool. So this gives a little bit of a history and the name of it and everything. Perfect. 2 paragraphs. Exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to click on this and I'm going to replace that. I always also check in the text version if you're using the visual editor to make sure no extra code got put in there. So, yep, that looks good. All right. So write a short paragraph about the schools in around Tim's Ford Lake. Let's see what it comes up with if I just write that. Okay, great. 1 paragraph. That's exactly what I was looking for. And it does say Franklin and Moore counties, so I might go up to the top and change that. So let's put that in there. Let's go up to the top. I'm probably going to have to edit these for Franklin and Moore. But for now, we'll go down here. Okay, dining, shopping, and entertainment. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on that. And I am going to go back here. Write a short paragraph about. Well, let's see what it comes up with. All right, great. So I'm going to copy that, come here, and edit. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this heading and do the same thing. Okay, so in this example though, and name some of the parks and places where families can go to enjoy the beach and dog parks if there are any. Okay, let's see what it comes up. Great. So it's named a couple of areas. You can see it's bolded them out. Perfect. Let's go ahead and copy that. Come here. Oops. Go back and copy it again. And there we go. All right, so notice it has put asterisks around some of these items, so I have to go in and bold them myself or put a link to them, but I'm not going to do that. But this would be a good time to put something up in here. Put that. And let's go back here. I'll grab both of these. Okay, so those are in there now, and I'm going to come back up here and edit this. And there we go. I've got a couple of things to do. All right, so that looks good. And there's nothing else I really need to do here. So now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to put in my quick facts. Let's see. What is the population of people who live on or around Tim's Ford Lake? Let's see if it can figure it out. So that's a little bit harder. And because this is in a city, we have to be a little bit careful. So 20, say around 20,000. So I'm going to edit this to 2024. And I'm going to put a little asterisk. Combined area. All combined area. Yeah, let's do that and italicize it. Okay, let's see. What zip codes is Tim's Ford Lake in? Let's see what it says. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. And I am going to Okay. And we're going to change this to Franklin and more counties. And let's ask Chat GPT, what school district is Timms Ford Lake in? Okay, so Franklin County and Moore County and Coffee County. All right, so we're going to grab this, and I could have asked it to include the links. All right, quit at Google. Here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And I am going to go like this. I'm going to copy all of them. And then I'm going to grab each one and put a link since this is informational. Grab that. Yep, that's the correct one. And then we'll change it up. Yep. Always make sure links that leave the site open up in a new tab so they don't leave your website. All right, here we go. And commutes. What are the commute approximate? Times from Timms Ford Lake to the major cities around it, including Nashville. So it's really got some longer ones like Huntsville and Chattanooga. Include a few more cities that are closer and in Tennessee. Include cities where there are big employment companies in the region. So the reason I said that is because there's a lot of people that get employed at some pretty big areas, and that may be something that, yeah, see how they're saying different areas like the Arnold Air Force Base, Coca-Cola bottling, Frito-Lay. So that's good. So let's see. Okay, so that's good. So we're going to say Nashville. Let's see. I think that's good. But I am going to take out all these extra bolds and only bold the main things. And then I am going to bullet point these to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. And then I'm going to bullet point these and left align. There we go. So that looks nicer. So now we've got it. We've really written a nice community page with some great information, and it's all in the page, and we did it with Chat GPT. So super easy, great page for SEO, and really makes the site more valuable to people visiting it, so they'll stay on it longer and they will read this information, bookmark it, share it with friends. It's a great resource page, and it's going to really increase the value of the page for Google and for people visiting the site. And that's it. That's how you use Chat GPT to improve your site by adding a community description. If you guys have any questions, anything we can do to help you out, any issues, give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. And if you like this video, please give us a like. Have a great day.